favorite people. It's Miss Berger.
And Mr. Lamb, and we're here to give you another video
on identifying proportional relationships on a graph, or in a coordinate plane, we could say.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're going to graph proportional relationships. Or really, we're just going to identify if they're proportional.
Surely, we're not graphing. We're just like showing you what you need to know.
Not yet. All right, so your learning target is I can identify proportional relationships on a graph. Pretty simple.
Wow, sounds pretty simple.
All right.
So, graphing proportional relationships is we can use a coordinate graph to show proportional relationships. But what about it makes it proportional? That's the key here. We got to know that what about this graph makes it proportional?
Well, there's two things we need to know.
Okay, I think one of them is we have to start at the
origin.
Thank you. I
Right.
could not come up with that word to save my life.
So
okay?
the graph has to pass through the origin, right? So you know,
that means it could start there, it could go through it, it could go
origin.
from positive to negative, but it has to go through 0, 0.
And yep, and the origin, the order pair of that origin, like Mr. Lamb just said, is 0, 0, right? So it has to pass through the origin, and
has to be a straight line.
It has to be a straight line. So when you're looking for a proportional relationship, you're just looking for those two things. I went through the origin and I'm a straight line. If you have those two things, you're proportional, right?
And it has to be both of them. It can't like be a straight line and not go through 0, or go through 0 but not be a straight line. Has to be both.
Has to be both.
We'll show you a couple examples.
Well, let's look, Mr. Lamb.
I bet we,
So here are some examples of proportional relationships, right? So, origin, straight line. Passes through the origin, straight line.
But here we have a perfectly straight line, but look, it's way up here where it starts. Not a proportional relationship.
So we would say not proportional.
No.
Yeah, proportional or no, right? All right, so is this proportional or
I can answer this one because it's kind of, there we go, now I can answer it. Well, it starts at 0, 0, and that's as straight as they come.
So we would say yes, proportional.
Yes, proportional.
It is a proportional relationship. So if I look at this one,
straight as they come.
Can I do one,
No.
Mr. Lamb? Please, thank you.
You just want to say so you can say no.
I know. So if it doesn't go through that origin, it's up here, it starts at positive 3. Oops, it's okay. But it is a straight line, but it doesn't go through the origin, so no. It is not proportional.
You can write that if you want. How do you write no?
No.
Otherwise known in the real world as no.
Right? All right, well, you took the wheels out. Is this proportional?
This one's weird because, you know, normally we're looking for that, like, sloping line, right?
Yeah,
that inclining line. I like sloping line. Okay? But this one's nice straight over, but no 0, 0. So it's a no.
No. It is not proportional.
And you spell that N-A-H.
Yeah, so which of these are proportional, Mr. Lamb? Well, I know the one on my side goes through the origin and is straight. So yes, this is proportional. What about the one on your side?
Well, it starts at 0 and it's a straight line. And look, the lines are different, but does that matter? No, it's still a proportional relationship. So this is a yeah.
Yes, so yes.
Yeah.
So again, just to recap, straight line going through the origin. That's it, friends.
It doesn't get any easier than that.
If you're confused, watch the next video. But if you're not, go work on that IXL.
Yes.